Welcome to Code Station.
So let us begin with developing our first website. We already learned about how to set up an IDE and install XAMPP on our devices in the previous video. Now it's time to see the working of a PHP web page and running and testing it on a local server. So let's move to a preferred editor. For me, it's VS Code for writing some codes and tags. If you are from a HTML background, you will be kind of familiar with the VS Code and HTML tags. And before that, we need to start the XAMPP server.
In this htdocs folder, we'll create the root folder for our website. Here you can see I have created a root folder named first website. Now to check that root folder on the browser, first you need to type localhost on the browser and it will give you the list of the website that you have created. As you can see, in this we currently don't have any pages, so we'll create that. Moving back to VS Code, in this you have to create a page like the home page, login page in the htdocs folder. Here I have it open. You can open a folder from file, open folder, select htdocs and open the folder. So in this folder I'll create a new file naming index.php. You have to by default give .php as the extension for it to run on the local server. This page has been created. In this we'll type some basic syntax that if you haven't installed or set up PHP on your VS Code, you can do it. You have to do it manually. So we'll do it by clicking on File, Preferences, Settings. In this you can see php.evaluate.executable path. In this you have to give the path of the php.exe file which is in the XAMPP. So we'll copy the path from the XAMPP. Let us locate the file. So in XAMPP you have to go to the PHP folder and in that search for php.exe file, copy its path and paste it in the VS Code. Check for the backward slashes and save the file. So now you can develop your first web page. So to test that, let's build a simple HTML website. So this is the basic structure of the HTML website. In the body tag, I will write the PHP tags by which you can run any PHP script on the website, on the browser. So between the PHP tag, I will write the simple echo statement, hello world, which will be shown on the browser. So after that, save it. Go to the browser, refresh it. And here you can see the hello world printed on the screen inside an HTML document. So with that, we now know that we have the server running, so we can actually create a website and have it displayed on the browser. In the next video, we'll talk about the tags that we used and PHP syntax to write a PHP web page. Thank you.